Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch boxing live on your iPhone using the DAZN app. This is one of the easiest ways to stream live boxing matches, highlights, and sports events directly on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now go to the search bar and type DAZN. Once you find the app, make sure to download it and update it to the latest version for the best performance. After installation, open the DAZN app from your home screen. Now you will need to sign in or create an account to access live content. Once you are logged in, you can browse live boxing events, upcoming fights, highlights, and full match replays inside the app. Just select any live event, and you can start watching boxing matches in real time on your iPhone. And that's basically it. That's how you can watch boxing live using the DAZN app. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more sports and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.